everybody. So in today's video I'll be doing a little eyebrow tutorial or how I do my eyebrows. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now I'm just gonna use my spoolie to brush my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm not sure of the color. I'm gonna use that to outline my eyebrows and fill them in. Now I'm going back in with the spoolie to brush the front part of the eyebrow to give it that natural look. Now I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the color Warm Honey to conceal my eyebrow or the bottom part of my eyebrow. So now I'm going in with another Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze to do the top section of my eyebrows. So now I'm going in with this blender brush to blend the top and the bottom part of my eyebrow top. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.